Temporary crown or temporary veneers, and why do we need them? Why do we use them? When you get dental crowns, veneers, inlays, onlays, any sort of restorations done, it means that the part of the tooth is going to be cut away or removed, which then will leave that area empty or naked. That can cause sensitivity, your gum can grow a little bit on top of it, and we want to avoid any sort of exposure of your second layer of the tooth, which is the dentine, to the outside world. For that reason, we will provide you with a dental crown which is temporarily placed or a temporary veneer. These temporary crowns or veneers are made of usually acrylic material, which are softer, they're not as durable, they're easily removable by the dentist or the dental practitioner, but in the time being they're there to protect the area that has just been cut. Temporary crowns or temporary veneers that are placed at the front of your mouth, specifically, they will help you to decide on the shape of the tooth. So basically, let's say you have few broken teeth, broken edges, and you decide to get either veneers or crowns depending on the situation in your mouth. You're going to have some preparation done on your teeth, and then we are going to ask our ceramist to make the restorations ready for you. While we are waiting for the restoration to be ready, let's say if it's few days or even a couple of weeks, not only we want to cover the area that we have prepared, not to be exposed to the food and the bacteria and all the air outside and causing sensitivity, but also we want to give you an idea of what you have to expect from future smile. So it's like test driving your new car. Imagine that we put the new smile on your teeth or the new type of teeth on your teeth with the new shape, but in a temporary version. And we tell you, go home, have a look, see if you like it. You go home and you tell us, you know what? I told you I want really square teeth, but now I have changed my mind. It doesn't even suit my face. Can we go with the other model we looked at, which was a bit more round? So it really helps you decide while keeping your teeth, the area that has been prepared, safe. How to take care of these temporary veneers and crowns while you're waiting for your permanent work to be ready. These are temporaries. The name suggests that they're supposed to be easily removed. So that's why it's going to be hard also for you to maintain them. It's very likely that they can break, chip off, or come out. If your dentist uses a more permanent material, then it's going to be hard to remove them. They have to drill them away, and it's going to change the shape of the tooth underneath and the whole fiasco. So what you want to do is to be careful, have softer food. I'm not saying you should be on liquid diet, but softer food, not very colorful food. And that doesn't end with coffee or red wine. It's more things like turmeric and saffron and soy sauce, curry, anything exotic. It can really paint over them. The better they're polished by the dentist or the lab technician, the less they're gonna stain, but they still will stain if they're there for a long time. Your dentist or dental practitioner is going to make sure either you can floss next to them. If it's not possible to floss the temporaries because they're all attached to each other for retention reasons, then they're going to make sure that they're going to tell you to use these little interdental brushes or some sort of a floss to clean in between. You cannot go a few weeks without flossing and cleaning in between the teeth, because that's going to cause a lot of gum inflammation and gum disease in the future, which will even make the cementation process next couple of weeks very hard for the dentist. If you want to see the difference between crowns and veneers, have a look at the video I'm going to tag up here. Otherwise, I'm going to see you at my next video.